it dawned on me that there is one question that I ask myself repeatedly that I think most people don't, and it is responsible for so much of my success in becoming the first millionaire in my family, creating incredible opportunities for others, affecting thousands of people, and you are not going to want to miss this. You see, we spend so much time trying to figure out, how can I get to my goal? How can I get to the life that I desire? How can I make it happen? How can I make $1 million? And a much more powerful question is who, not how. Let me explain. When you are trying to figure out how you are going to create a 7-figure plus empire, it's who, not how. It's who do you need to become in order to have a 7-figure empire be a natural byproduct? Who are the people that you need to align with as mentors, as team members, and even as clients and audience that support your vision and are connected in your values? Who, not how.